New at 5, Alabama's new restrictive abortion law remains in the national spotlight. Now, Arizona leaders are weighing in. News 4 Tucson's Danelle Confair has their reaction, plus what Arizona Planned Parenthood officials are saying.
Senator Martha McSally is pro-life and Senator Kyrsten Sinema is pro-choice, but yet both seem to disagree with Alabama's new ban on abortion. It's been causing controversy throughout the nation.
House Bill 314 passes.
HB 314 is a near total ban on abortion. The only exception is when it comes to saving the life of the mother. There are no exceptions for cases of incest or rape. For that reason, Senator McSally says it's too extreme.
Those three exceptions really matter to me. I believe in the sanctity of life, but as someone who recently revealed I'm a survivor of rape as well, those three exceptions are really important. So I don't understand why they didn't have those exceptions, and I think that is too extreme.
Senator Sinema believes this ban is part of an effort to overturn the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision, which protects a pregnant woman's liberty to choose whether or not to have an abortion.
It's clear to me that the movement by Alabama and other state legislatures, which are receiving much less political and media attention, that these are concerted efforts designed to challenge the basic tenets of Roe v. Wade in the Supreme Court.
Jody Liggett, the executive director of Planned Parenthood of Arizona, says those against abortion should think of a better solution.
If people are actually interested in reducing the abortion rate, the one surefire way to do that is to invest in family planning and contraception so people don't have an unplanned pregnancy in the first place. That's what we can all agree on, and that's where we should all be putting our energy.
I'm Danelle Confair, News 4 Tucson.